the best entry AK for anybody looking for one. The M90 in 5.56. Push back to the blue barrel. What's up, guys? My name is Jeff. I'm the owner of RDR Gear here in Salt Lake City. And if you don't know what we do at RDR Gear, there's a couple ways to figure that out. Number one, our website, rdrgear.com. Number two, our social media, Facebook and Instagram, RDR Gear. You can always email us at info@RDR Holsters. DM me if you want. I'll get to it eventually. So we build Kydex gear, K9 gear, belts, nylon gear, the new RDR Gear PRC plate carrier, our newest product. We do a lot of different things in nylon, soft goods. So in the website, you might find something you like. So without further ado, let's talk AKs. I am an AK noob. I am an AK. Until today, I was an AK virgin. I had never owned one, never really had any desire on the Eastern Bloc type guns. I saw this one coming through some different YouTube videos and whatnot, and one of my distributors called one day and said they had one. This is the Zastava USA M90. What's unique about this AK is it's chambered in 5.56. That's what got me on it. AKs, I've always been interested in AKs. I've had them. I had a 5.45 for a while with a shit ton of ammo. I ended up selling it. I just didn't want to do all the work on the gun, setting it different places to get it to the way I wanted it to be. And AKs aren't one of those guns you just kind of throw in the vise and work on yourself. You've got to have a professional person to kind of help you build out an AK. So when this one came around, it had a lot of cool features, and I'm thinking, you know what, I'm going to try it out and give it a whirl. So this is also an M90 in 5.56. It comes with one Palmer Zastava USA Palmer magazine. These are 30-round magazine. They do make these in metal as well. The Palmer ones are pretty inexpensive. No, they're pretty easy to get as well. A Hogue over mold handguard. This is an 18-inch chrome-lined barrel with a 3-position adjustable gas block. This is what really makes this gun unique. The 3 positions, 1 is suppressed, 2 is kind of your everyday range use, 3 is adverse conditions. If you weren't maintaining the rifle, dirty, whatnot, 3 would be your position. Today, I was very, very surprised on how well the gun shot. The AK shoots kind of like a suppressed AR does. It was very, very pleasant to shoot. When you see the range footage, these things, man, they were really shot well. I was very surprised. Trigger took a couple of rounds of getting used to. I'm not used to an AK trigger, but once they get going, the trigger was very fast, very easy to use. The gun does not come with it, but I did purchase separately the Zastava mount. This mount is very cool looking, very robust, very easy to mount. The one thing that is kind of weird is this picture right here. I don't know what this is for. Maybe left-handed offset red dot. I don't really know. I'm wondering if you could maybe do a offset red dot this way. I would assume so, but I'm not quite sure. But this Picatinny rail section is kind of unique. So if you're an AK guy out there and you know what this is for, shoot me a message, post it in the thread. But I would like to know how this pick section works on the rail. So with that being said, I've got a standard Holosun red dot. This is a 403, I believe. I love these. They're super inexpensive. I find them on Amazon all the time, and they're very T2-ish. And this pairing with this rifle was phenomenal today. Trigger, excuse me, I should say, it does have up safety. So if you want to have safety, lock bolt open in the rear, you can. So again, that's just a great option there. So that's the option you can run on the... I broke the gun. See? Told you guys I was an AK. Oh, I forgot, huh? Boom. All right. Told you I was an AK noob. So, going to the rear of the gun. Magpul, pistol grip, the Zukov stock. I really like this stock. Super cool. A lot of different features for length of pull on this thing. The side folder option. It's dark over here. it does shoot in the closed position as well, and it does give you a cool kind of aesthetic look to this rifle. Honestly, when I went back, you know, and I first got this in the mail, I'm like, man, you know, when they shipped it to me, I wasn't really too hip on it. Getting out to the range today and shooting this gun, this is one of those rifles too I planned to kind of just get it off, put on gun broker, get rid of it. But I honestly think I may keep this one. It just shoots so well. It was a good time to shoot. We ran out to, you know, 100 yards a day with the red dot. It worked out super well. Very easy to shoot, very fun to shoot. I'll learn a little bit more about the AKs and how to break them down, how to clean them, etc. But at the end of the day, the M90 being in 5.56 is a great, great option for anybody who wants to get into an AK without having to buy an extra caliber. And with the most recent Russian munitions debacles going on, this is a benefit because, again, you do get 5.56, and everybody has 5.56. You get an AK option in 5.56, which is still super fun to shoot. And that is the Zastava M90 AK rifle. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, we post 2 to 3 videos every week on gear that we use, gear that we manufacture, gear that we buy. Until next time, be well, take care. And Crispy is beating up on my dog.